Welcome to my video presentation about the cell-city analogy. But first, let's talk about what could be the meaning of cell-city analogy. Cell-city analogy. Each part of the cell has its own function or purpose. The parts of the cell can be compared to the parts of the city based on their similar purpose. The name of my blueprint community is Red City. And let us study its function of organelles and compare it to the Red City. Cell membrane. The plasma membrane or the cell membrane provides protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell. And that membrane has several different functions. Fortress wall. The cell membrane as the fortress wall, it protects the city from suspicious person from the other side of the wall and have authority to screen every person that will enter and exit in the Red City. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid substance inside of a cell. It includes everything inside of the cell membrane except for the nucleus. The cytosol is the water portion of the cytoplasm that all the organelles flow in. Road system. The cytoplasm of the cell can be compared to the road system because it allows the movement throughout the Red City. Nucleus. The nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell. Example, growth and metabolism, and carries the genes. Structure that contains the hereditary information. Nucleoli are small bodies often seen within the nucleus. The player. The nucleus controls all the activities of the cell, same as the player controls all the activities of the Red City. Mitochondrion. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles. Mitochondrion singular, that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. Chemical energy produced by mitochondria is stored in a small molecules called adenosine triphosphate or ATP. Industrial plant. I compared the mitochondrion to an industrial plant because it supply or produce the energy for the Red City. Endoplasmic Reticulum. Endoplasmic Reticulum or ER in biology is continuous membrane system that forms a series of latent sacs within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell and serves multiple functions, being important particularly in synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of the proteins. All eukaryotic cells contain an endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Amphibians transport. The endoplasmic reticulum as the amphibians transport because it delivers the materials needed throughout the Red City. Golgi bodies. A Golgi body, also known as a Golgi apparatus, is a cell organelle that helps process and package protein and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell. The naval shipyard. The Golgi apparatus would be the naval shipyard in my Red City. Its main function in the city is to process and package the materials like gold and alloy materials destined to be exported from the city. Vacuole. A vacuole is membrane-bound cell organelles. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and help sequester waste products. In plant cells, vacuoles help maintain water balance. Warehouse. The vacuole will be the warehouse because vacuole stores water and nutrients until it is needed. Like a warehouse stores water and food until it is needed. Lysosomes. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading virus and bacteria. Grinder. The grinder was a Uri structure that could recycle any ground unit under Uri player's control, converting them into pans. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are plant cell organelles that convert light energy into relatively stable chemical energy via the photosynthesis process. Power plant. The chloroplast is like the power plant in the Red City because it converts raw materials into energy where the building in Red City get their energy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video presentation.